Hello everyone, welcome back to another session of FIMM integration. So in the previous session we have seen all the baseline configuration and OBYC configuration and the material creation. Now we will see how to create the purchase order along that how we can post the GR and IR. Okay, so to start with, to create the purchase order we need to access the transaction code ME21N. So here I'm using the standard PO, and then this is my supplier, and then hit enter. Then system is looking for the purchase organization, and then give purchasing group and the company code, and then again hit enter. Now this tab is done. Here we can mention all the details like payment and all those details, but these are not required as of now. So in the item details, so here I'm entering the 10, and then my material is KSA. It start with KSA 0001, and then the description, the PO quantity, I'm entering 100 units, and then the unit of measure is each, and then delivery date I will be mentioning like okay, 1023, and net price is I have maintained 100 in the material master. I will quickly open the material master here, slash n MMVO3. So I will be selecting these three tabs. Okay, so here you can see in the local currency I have mentioned 100 Saudi Riyal. So the same I have entered here. Then I will be entering the plant. Okay, and then in the item details, in the invoice GR based, and I'm selecting the tax V0 S.No, and then in the conditions. So somehow the conditions is automatically not picking, but okay, now it's fine. Now just click on check here before proceeding. So I can see all these are warning messages. We can ignore them, and then click on save, and you can see here again click on save. Now you will see the standard purchase order has been created under 456 times 0 458. Now to display this purchase order you can use the transaction code slash n ME23N, or else you can create here in the header and click on okay, it's not showing anyways. Just click on go to ME23N. You can see here you can display the purchase order here. Okay, and to change the purchase order you can go from here, display and change, or else you can use the transaction code slash n ME22N. So usually here you can change you can add multiple other materials, and along with that you can change the account assignment. Sorry, if you use the cost center, then you can change the account assignment, and here you can change the conditions, all those things. Okay, now till here the PO has been created successfully. Now again, after that we need to create a GR, goods receipt. So for that we need to use the transaction code MyGo. Okay, and here we need to select the goods receipt A01, and then here we will be having multiple options, but in this scenario we will be selecting a purchase order, and then here 456 times 0 458. Yeah, this is my PO, and then here enter the physical year and click on execute. Okay, goods receipt for purchase document 2025. Sorry. Okay, yeah, just hit enter. You can see here, this is the 100 quantity which we have created the PO, and here you can see the supplier details. And now let's suppose I have created the PO for 100 quantity. Now I want to make the GR for only for the 50 quantity. Then you just need to change the quantity here, then hit enter. And here you need to update the storage location. And here in this tab you will see the purchase order and the item number. And here you will see the supplier, and here the account assignments. And then if everything is fine, then you just come to material and click on item check. And then before posting you can check if you have any errors. If you don't see any errors, you can proceed to click on post. So you can see here the material document ending with the 360 has been posted now. To display the material document, we need to use the same transaction code MyGo, but here we need to select A04 display, and then here material document, then system will display you the material document which has been posted. And here this is a new tab which we have in the display mode. You can click on docu info and FI documents, and here you can see two documents, like the accounting document and a material ledger document. And so double click on here, then system will show you the accounting document, which is the document type will be WE, goods receipt. Okay, and the transaction code is MyGo. Here you can see GR and posted by, and the reference key. In the reference key you will see the material document number, the which has been generated in the MyGo screen and ending with the physical year. Okay, and when it comes to the accounting entry, you can see the raw material account debit. At that time the transaction code BS6 has been used, and GRR account clearing account has been credited, and the transaction code is WRX. Okay, and after that we will be creating the invoice. Okay, to post the invoice, let me come out from here. To post the invoice we need to use the transaction code MyRO. Okay, and here just enter the invoice date, and then enter your purchase order ending with the 458, and then item. And if you want, you can enter the same in the reference number and then hit enter. Okay, and here the amount is 5000. We are entering for the quantity 50 only. So you can see here now we don't see any error messages. Before posting it, if you want, you can simulate the document so that you can check the accounting entry. So the accounting entry will be GRR clearing account is debit, and the supplier will be credit. So this supplier will be automatically picked from the purchase order, and this GRR account and the material account, raw material account, these GL accounts will be picked from your OBYC configuration. So this is the sample PO, and then click on post now. Okay, there is some error maybe back. Click on message here. Okay, here we can see account determination for entry 2000 KDM not possible. Okay, there is some issue with this. Let me check the OBYC. So what he is saying, account determination for entry 2000 KDM. Okay, what is the KDM? KDM, okay, metal management exchange rate differences. Okay, here. So here we need to assign some GL account. Okay, let me check whether we have some GL account for the exchange rate differences. or else we need to create some GL account. Okay, it seems we don't have any GL account, so let me quickly create some expense GL account. This will be our expense GL account. Okay, meantime I will assign this GL account, sorry, this one. Then simply save, come out from here and go back to the Miro screen, and then try to click on post now. Okay, GL account has been not relevant for the tax. Okay, again. Okay, and relevant cost account. Okay, so for this, let me maintain OK benign. Again, try to click on post. Now you can see a document has been created. This document, to display this document, you can use the transaction code MIR4, or else you can use this here in the header level. You can use this option, and here, okay, display document. Okay, so I don't know the document number, so to get the document number we have one way. So just go to ME23N and hit enter. You will see the purchase order. This is not my purchase order, it's ending with 8. Okay, and here, okay, in the item details you can see the purchase order history, and here you will see the if against to this purchase order and this item, if the goods receipt is created, this is the accounting, this is the document number, and if the invoice receipt is created, and this is the document number, you can see here as well. So let me copy this document. Okay, when you select this one, system will automatically go and pick the it's a drill down, and it will show the document. And here I just entered the document and click on enter. The system will display you the your Miro document, and here you will not see the any accounting document. So to check the accounting document, click on the following documents on, and here you can see two documents. One is the accounting document, and another one is a controlling document. Since we have used the cost center and profit center, so that's why system has been used the controlling document. So I will display this accounting document. Just double click on the accounting document, and you will see the accounting entry like GRR clearing account is debit and supplier is credit. This GRR clearing account is picking from the OBYC configuration, and this supplier is picking from the purchase order directly. And here you can see the GRR account WRX transaction key and the supplier the KBS. Okay, and go back now. Now let me show you the controlling document as well. Okay, it will be shown like this. Admin cost center, again show the cost center, it will show the value. Okay, it's showing in the currency USD. Okay. Yes. Okay, so this is the end-to-end process. In this session, we have seen how to create a purchase order and a GR and a IR. In the later process, we will see the different scenarios. Okay, thank you so much.